I started my YouTube channel in 2006 and achieved 100,000 subscribers 16 years later due to consistency. If you want to achieve 100k subscribers faster, it's not enough to be consistent. In this video, you'll discover my 7 secret strategies to grow a YouTube channel faster. Number 1, have a goal for each video you upload. Your goal is to get viewers to click on your video, watch it as long as possible, and then get them to return to watch more of your videos. If you're successful in doing this, you'll trigger the YouTube algorithm and YouTube will recommend your videos to a wider audience. Number 2, know the pain points of your audience. YouTube says that the algorithm follows the audience, so if you know the burning questions that are on the minds of your target audience, it'll be easier to create the right content for them. But Herman, how can you tap into the mind of your target audience? One of the best ways to tap into the mind of your target audience is to read the comments that they're posting under your videos. If a viewer or subscriber asks a question in the comments, it's probably on the minds of many of your viewers and subscribers. You can also log into your dashboard and look at the top 10 videos that are driving the most traffic to your channel. Double down on those topics by approaching the content from a different angle. You can also visit a free site like answerthepublic.com to look at the frequently asked questions in your niche. Make a list of the top 10 most frequently asked questions in your niche, then answer them with 10 different videos. The more you know about your target audience, the easier it'll be to come up with new content ideas that will drive views and subscribers. If you are your own target audience, then ask yourself the same questions. YouTube says that the algorithm finds videos for viewers, not viewers for videos. Therefore, make videos that your audience wants to watch. If you're struggling to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube so you can quickly monetize your channel, I highly recommend getting my micro video course. You'll discover my secret strategies to grow your YouTube channel fast. Click the link in the description to get my course now. Number 3, create quality content. You may think that uploading videos on a consistent basis is enough to grow your channel. However, if you publish low quality content, you're going to lose views and subscribers. This can easily happen if you're trying to publish several videos a week on a regular schedule, because often life gets in the way. For example, one day my car broke down and I decided to fix it myself to save money taking it to the garage. I initially spent hours watching YouTube videos on how to fix it, ordered the parts, and spent the rest of the week trying to repair the car. The quality of the video content I uploaded that week was not good because I was too stressed over the repairs to my car. The lesson I learned from that experience is to always have videos scheduled in advance in case of emergencies, going on a holiday, or just when life gets underway. Number 4, get specific. Don't just upload any old content hoping the video will go viral. It's like throwing mud at a wall, hoping that some of it will stick. Instead of going broad, try to get specific because it'll attract a more focused audience. For example, when YouTube came out with Shorts, I created a video on how to upload Shorts on your PC. Initially, that video only got a few hundred views, but now it has over 500,000 views. If you answer specific questions that are on the minds of your viewers that nobody else is answering, your video will do well. Try to be a brain surgeon instead of a general practitioner. That's why brain surgeons get paid a lot more. Number 5, create a content strategy. There's a famous quote from Benjamin Franklin that says, "If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail." Instead of uploading a solo video on a particular topic, think about a series of videos based upon a common theme. This will make it easy for you to create several videos in a row for the next few weeks. If you add all those videos to a playlist and link them together in the end screen, it'll motivate viewers to watch more than one video. Remember to place your most popular video at the beginning of the playlist and place your most popular playlist at the top of your YouTube channel homepage. When you upload videos based upon a common theme, it motivates viewers and subscribers to keep returning to watch more of your content. It will also convert more viewers into subscribers. When you build a core audience for your channel, they'll be the first ones to watch your videos when you first upload them, which results in a high view velocity. A high view velocity in the first 24 to 48 hours sends a signal to YouTube algorithm to send your content out to more people. This will help speed up the growth of your YouTube channel. Another thing to keep in mind when coming up with a content strategy is to create content for just one person instead of a bunch of people. Create a profile of your ideal subscriber. It could be someone who regularly comments on your videos. What are their interests, hobbies, pain points, etc. The more you know about them, the easier it'll be to upload content that your viewers will want to watch. When you record your content, imagine that person sitting in the same room as you. Number 6, track the performance of your videos. If you know the type of content that resonates with your target audience, it'll be easier to come up with new content ideas. If you click on analytics in your YouTube dashboard, you see the top 10 videos that are driving the most traffic to your channel in the last 28 days. You can also view the top videos in the last 7 days, the last 90 days, 365 days, or even over a lifetime of your channel. If you click on the Content tab, you'll be able to see the key moments for audience retention as well as how viewers find your videos. If you click on the Audience tab, you'll be able to see the videos that are currently growing your audience as well as other videos and channels your audience watches. You'll also be able to see when your viewers are on YouTube, so you know the best time and day to upload your video. If you click on the Research tab, you'll be able to see the top searches from viewers on your channel as well as searches from other channels in the last 28 days. It'll also show you the content gaps on your channel for videos that don't currently exist or can be improved on YouTube. Number 7, be consistent. I know that, as you can see over the last 6 points that I mentioned, consistency is not enough to grow a YouTube channel. But if I wasn't consistent over the last 16 years, I wouldn't have achieved 100,000 subscribers. When you maintain a regular upload schedule, it gets your audience used to expecting your content so they keep coming back to watch more of your videos. This also helps keep your content fresh in the user histories of people that regularly watch your videos. For example, when you keep a regular upload schedule, there's a higher probability that your videos will be recommended by YouTube on the home screen of your viewers and subscribers. They'll also appear on the subscription feed as well as in suggested videos. Let me ask you a question. Does your YouTube channel suck because it's not growing? Watch this video on the screen right now on 6 reasons your YouTube channel sucks and how to fix it. You'll be glad you did.